Hello, today we're gonna change transmission fluid in Honda Odyssey and also engine oil. And as you can see, I drive on the stands here, no problem, didn't even touch the spoiler, so works really good. I was afraid I'm gonna have to lift it with the jack, but I don't need to, so it did drive okay. And so now we're gonna begin. Okay, I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna remove to drain automatic transmission fluid. So we got this cover here. So we got one bolt here, two, and clamps right there, clamps, and then bolt, clamps, bolt. So it's about 6 of them have to be removed and plug right on the behind this cover. So it's gonna do this. Okay, to remove this cover, I'm gonna use 10mm socket. And then for this clip, I got a tool. That's right here. Kinda hard to do with one hand, but I'm gonna try it. Alright, got an idea for myself for in the future, because I want to keep this car. I'm just what I decided to do, not to remove this cover anymore in the future. I'm just gonna make a hole, because the drain plug was right there, so I'm just gonna mark it off with this marker here, like this, and I'm gonna make a kind of square hole here, so in the future this cover will stay. I don't have to mess with it no more, because it's not bad to remove, but while I'm doing it, I'm just go ahead and do this and just leave the cover all the way every time here. Okay, here's the plug. Automatic transmission fluid. So I remove this aluminum cover, make a marker here. So that's the center right there where the plug is. So we're gonna make a square like this, and I'm gonna leave this cover for good, because we don't have to remove it every time I'm gonna drain the automatic transmission fluid. So right here is a plug. Yeah. See what I'm saying? I make smooth holes. So now we're good to go. So when we fill back up, it's right here. So in this case we have to remove this cover right here, which is easy to do. I have to do it all the way out, just a little bit. We can see better right there. So I got the plug out, so that's the wrench I use. Same thing for the drain plug, same wrench. So that's the plug to fill back up fluid. And I'm going to show you another one. Alright, here's our hole, and here's a drain plug. So see how it works? I don't even have to remove the cover no more. So now we're gonna get this plug removed and we'll be good to go drain this fluid. Well, it looks pretty clear, so because I changed it about when I bought it, so I just want to repeat it one more time, and then next time I'm gonna change it maybe about 15,000 or 20. So it's very easy. All we gotta do, unscrew this plug, drain it, first of all unplug at the top, and now I'm gonna put the plug back in and we'll be good to go. Fill it up with the fresh automatic transmission fluid. So went to Honda dealer and got me automatic transmission fluid. It goes 3.5 quarts exactly when you drain it. So I bought it 4. So that's type of automatic transmission fluid, because I have a 9-speed. This is EXL, Honda Odyssey EXL. So it goes 3.5 quarts. So I'm just gonna pour 3.5 quarts and go over it. Sure, it's right in the hole. So now we're good to fill it up.
Yeah.
Have to shake well before you use it. So shake well. I don't know why, but that's what it's saying here. One. Now I'm gonna put this plug back in. I got 3.5 quarts in it. So I'm gonna remove this out of there. Okay. So now be careful. Now how you do this. Just a little bit, because it's aluminum, you don't have to tie too much. So good to set, good to go. Okay, this is a used oil, so you can see it's 3.5. That's where we put it in. So we're not even gonna check the level on this automatic transmission fluid, because here's the level. So we're good to go.